So I was getting this something went wrong error while trying to play Skate on my PS5. It turns out this is actually a pretty common issue these days since the game is still in early access. So yeah, there are quite a few bugs. Most of the time it's either a server-side problem or just a temporary internet issue. In my case, I simply tried launching the game again after a while and it worked perfectly fine. So if you're seeing the same error, don't worry. Just wait a few minutes or maybe a couple of hours and try again. Hopefully it'll start working for you too. Hey guys, so I was getting this white screen issue while trying to play Skate on my PS5. It seems like this is a pretty common thing right now since the game's still in early access. And yeah, it's got a bunch of bugs here and there. Usually it's either a server glitch or a small connection problem. What I did was just close the game, waited a bit and tried again later. And it started working normally. So if you're stuck on a white screen too, don't stress about it. Just give it a few minutes or maybe an hour, then relaunch the game and it should be fine.